In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made this complete video in under 10 minutes using Canva and other free tools. Make sure you watch the entire video to see the full process. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm in Canva. The first thing I'll do is go to Video, click on that. I'll choose Landscape, but you could use any of these. I already have a story in mind, and I've already made my images. So I'll come over here to Uploads and click on that, and drag my images right in there. These are the AI images that I just made. I made 2 of each scene, so I had a choice. First of all, I'll put a blank down here. Then I'll go back to the beginning and add this one. I'll put it right here. I think I will choose this one next and put it there. Here's the third one. And here's the fourth one. All right, so here are 4 images of the little girl feeding her animals, and she looks pretty consistent, pretty much the same look for each scene. When I created the prompt for each picture I made, I kept the description of her and what was going to happen at the very top, and then I only changed the action, like when she was calling to her animals or putting feed in the trough, etc. That's the only part I changed. The rest is all the same basic scenario on the farm. So next, I'll take each one of these. For example, I'll click on this one, then come up here to Edit. Next, I'll go to Image to Video and click on that. Right now, it's making 6-second videos, so that's new. I'm going to leave it on Smart, but if you wanted to, you could come in here and describe exactly what you want to happen. But most of the time, I have found the Smart feature does great work, so I'll click on that. Now it's creating the video. It's really fast. It only took about 20 seconds to make that. Let's watch it. Let's refresh. Then come back over here and make the second one. So let's do the same thing with this one. We'll make sure we click on it, then go up here to Edit. Look over here in the Tool section and click on Image to Video. I'll do the same thing as before and choose the Smart option, then click on it. There's the second one. Let's play it. So let's go on. I'll do the same thing as before. Click on it. Go to Edit. Choose Image to Video, then Smart, click Generate. And now the third one's ready. I'll make the last one the same way. And here's the last one. Very good. Okay, now that I've made all the mini videos, I'm going to come in between each one and add a split. Next, I'll add a dissolve transition between all. We could add some music if we wanted to. Let me try something. I've decided not to add any music, but I will go to Uploads and add a few sounds. I found these on a site called Pixabay. All you do basically is choose what you're looking for here. I've just uploaded my farm sounds, so I'll put this there. I'll add a cow moo right there. And I'll duplicate it here. I'll duplicate this as well, and I'll fade this out at the end. And here's my donkey sound. I'll make them all a bit quieter. Okay, now let's listen to it. Okay, that's really good. So there we go. I made all of this easily under 6 minutes, 7 minutes tops. Lastly, I'll come right over and click on Share. Then on Download. I'll make sure MP4 is chosen and 1080, and then I'll click Download. And in just a few minutes, I'll show you the final product.
If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps a ton. And if you want to get better at making AI videos that actually stand out, I've got another video right here you'll want to watch next.